What is the future of the Canadian food industry? Food and beverage processing is Canada's largest manufacturing sector, with the highest distribution in Ontario and Quebec, and 32.9% in Ontario alone. Ontario's food processing sector is the third largest in North America. Provincial yearly sales total more than $34 billion. About 3,000 companies make food and beverage products in Ontario, including international giants such as Nestle, Kellogg's, Coca-Cola, Kraft, and PepsiCo, as well as homegrown firms like Maple Leaf Foods, Dare Foods, and Weston Foods. The Business Development Branch reports $1.4 billion in capital investments in the Ontario food and beverage processing industry over the past 5 years. Canadian agriculture and agri-food industry exports grew by 8.1% in 2012 alone, with export sales totaling over $43.6 billion. Grocery retailers in Canada are predicted to have sales reach $150 billion in 2019. Billions of government dollars are allocated to support new and existing food and beverage innovation businesses, to create jobs, and to promote partnerships between business and academia. The University of Guelph and Food and Beverage Ontario jointly studied the current post-secondary landscape for agriculture and food and beverage processing. It showed that labor shortages now exist in these key areas that require post-secondary education. Individuals and managers educated in business and agriculture, food and beverage processing and/or food science, food safety specialists, lab technicians, technical specialists, skilled machine operators, line workers and licensed millwrights, butchers and meat processors, bakers, individuals educated in culinary arts with food science and technology. The recommendations were to promote the agri-food industry and provide necessary support to increase enrollment in underutilized programs within these programs of note: culinary innovation and food technology at Niagara College.
The Culinary Innovation and Food Technology program is a 3-year advanced diploma offered at the Canadian Food&WineInstitute. And this program is very unique for Canada. There are other programs in culinary available across Canada, but none that integrate the science of food and the ability to commercialize food products for the retail space. Our students work with industry partners to develop new products to expand existing revenue streams, improve existing products to enhance competitive positioning, enter new product categories with unique product offerings, increase product quality and ease of operations, ensure food safety regulations are met, for example, HACCP systems, reduce food safety risks with proper handling and processing practices, investigate new ways to attract customers to a destination, increase profitability of existing attractions and destinations through process improvement, provide nutritional labeling and analysis. That puts our students in a unique competitive advantage for entering food research and development jobs, product development jobs, as well as food safety and quality assurance positions. Within the CFWI, we have a research and innovation division where we're able to collaborate and bring in industry into the classroom space, as well as perform fee-for-service or funded research. And this keeps our faculty very much current with the topics that are relevant to today's food science and food processing industry. It engages students in relevant industry research, and it's an asset to the companies in our region who are able to get R&D done for their organizations.
An example of that is Mad Virgin Drinks. They have non-alcoholic beverages on the market, but they lack that really good tasting lager for the audience that we're targeting. So they came to us and we did everything from designing the lager to making the lager with 0.0% alcohol and mass producing it, making sure it could be sold across the continent.
I mean, that's what drove us to Niagara College. We were looking for somebody to come up with something that we could take to market.
I was given the opportunity to understand what was going on in the world when it came to alcohol-free and non-alcoholic beverages. We did the consumer research, we tried what was on the market. We had a great relationship where Brian and Glenn told us exactly what they wanted, and they wanted a good tasting product.
We didn't realize that research and industry partners was a big part of the structure here. It's a home run for us, it's a home run for MAD, and it's a home run for Niagara College.
The Food Innovation Program at Niagara College, it helped me prepare for the industry basically by giving us the hands-on training that we needed. Many universities and many other colleges are very theoretical, and I found Niagara College to be giving us the hands-on skills specifically. I would definitely partner with Niagara College for my own products. Just talking from experience, I know the type of training and the time that goes into developing the students at Niagara College, and I think that the students coming out of it would be very knowledgeable, and not only the professors, but I think they would be great to partner with.
We get large-scale companies who come to us with an idea they want to put out on the market, and it's up to me and the team to innovate a new idea that they can sell. We did a lot of detailed projects. One would be the capstone, where we got to start from the very beginning of a product that we wanted to develop, right to the very end with marketing. In coming to this job, I had an idea of how to start the product, as well as marketing it to the CEOs of the big companies that come to us.
What we're finding in the food industry right now is that healthy eating is very important. And that's why our proteins are involved in that, and that's why we went to Niagara College, to ensure that we got some expert help in respect to developing products that the next generation will want.
They wanted different game meat ideas and different new processed goods or new things they could do other than just selling the plain meats. So last year we we developed a few different kinds of game meat hot dogs, all single species. And then we've moved on to developing different things with them, including hamburgers and sausages.
The project I'm currently working on is a food safety and regulatory project. So we're helping out celebrity chef Bridge at his processing plant in Vancouver. We're helping him get federally approved to sell his products all across Canada. We came in and we helped him develop and refine the standards that he needed.
Well, she has been very thorough, she has been very, very focused, and Genevieve has been not only a great asset to go back and tell us what we are doing right or wrong, but she has also been there to say to me, I think you need to do this, you need to work on this a little bit, you need to improve on that. So I think she is not only just a student now, but she's also become somebody that all of us look up to and say, okay, she's the authority on this. I think it will be a partnership that would have not been possible had Niagara College not stepped in and found this beautiful working together relationship and come to fruition.